Just got out of work, and today I have a treat for you guys. We are going to tour the D3 Offroad shop. What happened here was I was chatting with Steve from D3 Offroad a little bit about where he's from, just because I found out D3 Offroad is kind of local to us. And he sent me a video of his buggy. And I went, these guys are cool. And that's when he invited me to tour his shop. So let's hit the road and check it out. We're there. Yes, we're definitely there. I see quite a few Jeeps. Yeah, so I'm definitely in the right spot because Jeep, bigger Jeep. Let's go inside and check this out. Yep, definitely in the right spot. Hey man.
Hey, how's it going? Welcome to D3. D3 stands for Dream It, Design It, Drive It. Years ago, I got into off-roading and I kind of realized there's very few places that will give you any knowledge or help you. They'll just sell you what's on the shelf. Go have a nice day. So I kind of thought, you know what, with my background and the abilities I have, I'm going to start my own shop. And years later, down the road, here we are. It didn't start like this. It started very small, like most things. And years progress, you get better, more clients, things grow from complete custom JKs on Unimog axles and big blocks to buggies to Cherokees, TJs, Jeeps. We do full designs in CAD, SolidWorks, send out for laser cutting, brake press forming. We have every welder in-house, MIG, TIG, stick, torches. We have a vertical milling machine, a lathe, chassis table, 30-ton press, belt sanders, grinders, plasma cutter, tube benders, gear installs, air lockers, electric lockers. We specialize. We'll build complete axle housings from scratch, retube axles, do trusses, axle shafts. We can build drive shafts for off-road rigs. We specialize in four-link design and suspension tuning, so anti-squat, roll axes, your alignments, kingpin, inclination angle, Ackerman angle, toe-in, toe-out, camber, caster, pinion angle, drive shaft angles.
What do you figure? You just throw a bunch of words out and people are going to know what you're talking about?
Yeah, they're going to be like, what is all that? All the big words for chassis design, suspension design. My biggest vision is a lot of really well-built vehicles that perform beyond people's expectations on the trail and on the road, if it's a road vehicle. A lot of guys have a Jeep, they want to drive it to the trail, wheel it hard, and drive it home. So the most common thing is a set of coilovers, a set of long arms, some 40s, and 1 tons out of a junkyard. Well, it's common, and I do a lot of it, and they work very well.
So in other words, you could do anything off-road related. So what's with all the TMR?
Believed in me since the beginning, and they send a lot of work my way. They want quality people, quality work to put on their quality parts.
Everywhere you look, there's cool shit in this shop. Look at this. Project, dude. Project, Cool table, project. Check this thing out.
Front end because I didn't want to run a fiberglass front clip. So this, from the firewall forward, it uses some of their tubes, but I modified them, and it's just sleeker, sexier, smaller design. It uses 16 by 2.5 rad flows, triple bypass, and coilovers with piggybacks on all four corners. Curry anti-rock sway bars, front and back. Our own 70-75 long arms, 2-inch solid uppers, 2.5-inch lowers, PSC steering, trail ready double bead locks, 42-inch SX2s, Super Duty 60, RCV shafts, 14 bolt, 5/38 spooled. It's got Willwood brakes all the way around. It's got an LQ4 with a turbo 400 with an Atlas 2-speed. All of the tubes from the rocker down, so this tube, all these tubes, everything in the bottom, it's 2-inch 120 wall, DOM, but all of the tubes are slugged with 1 3/4 60-65 aluminum. So nice. You cannot dent these with a rock or a hammer or kink them with the aluminum slugged inside solid. And then there's skid plates that go on here. There's the bottom's on, but the sides bolt on, and they're AR400 armor plate.
Let's hear this thing.
It's considered an Ultra 4 car. It should go pretty fast. I haven't driven it much yet. It still needs engine tuning, brake tuning, shock tuning. I've gone around the driveway, that's about it. Website, D3Offroad.com. So we have JK skid plates that are 3/16 steel, laser cut, CNC bent. We've got 1/4-inch aluminum. We've got bumpers, rear tramp stamps for license plate holders, elites, rock rails. Here's a JK corner armor. A lot of people ask, why would you go with aluminum? Well, it's very light and it still offers a lot of protection. This is just powder coated white. But it's aluminum JK. This is for a 6-inch stretch, rear stretch, so it moves the fender back and covers up the distance at the front. Looks really nice. LED taillights, flush, pretty slick.
I see boggers. I like boggers.
Yeah, that's a big JK. 44 boggers.
all sorts of plans. We shot the ship for a while here, and we're gonna shoot a bunch more videos, so stay tuned. Oh, and don't forget to click the link below to check out his website, his Facebook page, his YouTube page, all that, and subscribe. Peace.